And of course, tornadoes can develop quickly and drop out of a cloud formation. The folks in Alabama may have had less than a 10-minute warning, which leads to the need to plan for emergencies like that. The city of Abilene and the National Weather Service are preparing for the upcoming severe weather season with a tornado drill planned for this Wednesday. The National Weather Service will issue a mock tornado warning at around 10 Wednesday morning. The City of Abilene Office of Emergency Management is suggesting you take this opportunity to make a plan for you and your family, your business, or school.
And if you don't do the drill, we at least want people to go ahead and talk about it, send out the literature information to everybody.
This drill is a part of Texas Severe Weather Awareness Week, and Sam has more about that coming up later.